and welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I've shown you how to check if you've got hooded eyelids. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you what to do and what not to do in case you've got hooded eyelid. That is for you to get the best benefit even if you're applying just a simple eye makeup. I don't mean to criticize those who are doing it wrong. I used to be one of them, but with consciousness and awareness, little did I know those simple tricks that I tried to change and improve really made a big difference. Okay, keep watching. I'm gonna work on this side of my face as do and this side of my face as don't. I don't have to mention the brands of the products that I'm gonna use because the purpose is for improving the styles and the strokes and not the brands. Let's dive in. First thing that you want to do on the do side is to apply primer. Primer helps to let your makeup stay in place since hooded eyelid is some kind of oily and easily smudges any makeup. It will prolong your makeup. For the don't side is to leave it without any primer at all. The second thing that you want to do on your do side is to apply some transition shade along your crease. Using a matte shade about 1 to 2 shades darker than your natural tone. For the don't side, you're not gonna apply any transition shade. No primer, no transition, leave it just what it is. The third thing that you want to do when you've got hooded eyelid is to use a darker matte shade, a bit darker than your transition shade. This will create the illusion that your eyelid is receded, pushed backwards when you use darker matte shade. And of course, less creasy. While on the don't side, let's try using a shimmer color in your crease area. As we know from previous contouring lesson, any shimmer or light shade brings it forward. So this time, we'll apply shimmer on the crease, making the crease even pop out more. And the fourth thing that you want to do is to apply light matte shade on your lid. The light shade will enhance your remaining small lid and will push it forward. It will make the small lid pop out. On the don't side, what you don't want to do is to apply some dark shade in the lid. You already have small lid right there. And if you apply something dark, it will gonna make it even look smaller. What you want is to save the remaining small lid. See what happened? It made my eye look even tired and more downturned. What if I apply something light shimmery on this do side? For sure, it will make it even pop more. The fifth thing that you want to do is to leave it without any eyeliner or just do tight line. In case you wanted a more dramatic effect, you can smudge the kohl pencil and just flick it up at the end. But stay as close to the lash line as possible. For the don't side, you don't want to apply thick eyeliner on your remaining small lid without even flicking it up. It's gonna take the space of the remaining small lid right there. This even makes your eyes look more tired and more downturned. See what I mean? The next thing that you want to do when you've got hooded eyelid is to really take your time to curl up your lashes before applying the mascara. When you've got hooded eyelid, curler is your best friend. It will open up your eyes and make it appear more awake and more uplifted. For the don't side, we're not gonna use any curler, just mascara. With this does not help to create the look of the eyes look energized. In fact, it makes it even look more tired than before. You may also want to shade your waterline with a light color rather than dark shade, which makes it even appear smaller eyes. Smudging it with brush and some dark matte shadow before applying your mascara on your lower lashes will make your eyes appear more awake compared to the other side. And the last thing on my list that you want to do when you've got hooded eyelid is to create that eyebrows shape that will lift up your eyes. While on the don't side, what you don't want to do is to create that eyebrows that really points downwards and is even emphasizing your eyes more, making your eyes appear very, very tired. So now guys, I've shown you those simple tips and tricks that you can do to help you improve your simple eye makeup and make your eyes appear more uplifted and more awake. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how to select the right false lashes in case you've got hooded eyelids. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel so that you get notified every time I post new videos about easy beauty tutorials and easy beauty styles. Because who doesn't want easy beauty styles? Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.